find this one so beautiful sounding, and then you can, of course, back it off and sort of like, right? So cool. Like, you bring in this moment and then you back it off. And what's really cool is you can control the way it comes in and decays. So you can control the attack and the decay on it. So here, hold on. Right, so that's a decay time. Or I can just, right, it starts right away. Right, and then you can also set the attack time, so you'll hear that. Right? And that's amazing. That's so beautiful sounding. Right? And then you can get your noise going, you know, like. Turn up your resonance. You make this huge sound, right? Absolutely massive. And what's great is, you know, you're playing it like, I mean, you can just move everything so quickly and see everything right in front of you. So it's very fluid.